Hi guys, cooking Grandad style. Haven't done one of these for a little while. Tesco chicken chow mein. Main, I don't know. Used by the 13th of April. Today is the 12th, so we're in date. Okay, we're going to cook it in the oven. So, oven 190 degrees, fan oven 170. We've got a fan oven. Cooking from chilled 22 minutes. Place on a baking tray in the centre of a preheated oven. Stir halfway through. So after 11 minutes, I've got to come back and give it a bit of a stir. Leave to stand for 2 minutes after heating. Stir before serving. Can't even say the words. Stir before serving. Not suitable for heating from frozen. Okay. So that's the fella. That's a tray. Oh, don't we need to... Yeah, pierce lids several times. Technical this. Focusing over there so you can see what I'm doing. Couple more for luck. Okay, so we've done that. With a fan oven, you don't actually need to preheat it, even though it says preheat, because a fan oven spreads the heat anyway. And 170 for a fan oven. Well, I'm going to give it a little bit more, because I never trust it, so that's about 180. So that's on. Let's go to wide angle. Move the camera down a bit. Okay. So that's the fan oven. That's going in there. Set the timer. 22 minutes, but we need to come back after 11 minutes. Yeah, set to 11. Come back after 11 minutes and give it a stir. And then remember to reset the timer. Okay, so we'll be back. Right, that's my 11-minute warning. Now, Nanny says she doesn't take the cover off, she just shakes them to give them a stir. Oh, well, that one's come loose anyway. Because she said sometimes you can't get the top off to stir them. That's given it a good stir. So that can go in for another 11 minutes. Okay, back again. Beeping again. Right, let's see if we can get it out in one go. So there we are, job done, as I like to say. Maybe not to everybody's taste, but a quick and easy meal that I can make for me and Nanny. And we've also got dark and light soy sauce if we want a bit of extra flavour there, and fruit juice to go with it. So that's it, job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.